Hey my Tinies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am literally so tiny. I am 4'10" and on my good days I am 4'11". But you guys do not need to know how tall I am. Well, anyways, with that being said, today's video is actually about a Wish product that I purchased, and it was only $2, guys. Now, if you guys want to learn about this product, then keep on watching. This product, as you guys can tell, I am not wearing any makeup. I only have my brows done, hint hint. But anyways, it is a Wish product. It is $2 on Wish. It took about 2 weeks to get here, which was a really fast shipping, and it is on this brow cream. It is a Kifani brow gel cream, and it's KF02 shade. It is coffee. It says coffee, but I thought I honestly thought it was like ebony instead, but I mean it fits perfect on my brows. So, and it is cruelty free, as you guys can see right over here. Maybe it is cruelty free, and it lasts for 24 months, and it is recyclable. So this little box is it's so tiny. It's so, like, I don't know, it's just so simple, you know. Button says brows right down here, which when you open it up, it looks like this on the inside. It has a little divider, so I don't know if you guys can see the brush. It has a little tiny brush. So it's got the little brush on this side, the bristles on this side, and a little like smudge brush on the other side, which is really cute, you know. You can like honestly take this wherever you want, and this is how it looks like. It kind of gives me Anastasia dupe vibes, or elf dupe vibes, you know. It's super cute. I think it's more of an Anastasia because the Anastasia is like also clear down here, and when you open it up, the product is like up here. But this is how it looks. It is amazing, guys. It is super creamy, and look at the pigmentation. It is amazing. Look at that. It is amazing, I swear. Like look at my brows, guys. Like they look really good. And this only cost me $2. I will have a description down below so you guys can buy it from there. And I also have a code where you guys can, if you don't have Wish, you guys can use that code and you get $5. I want to say you get $5 and I get $5 if you purchase anything. But which is actually pretty neat. Like, this is a must-have, guys. It is amazing. It's super affordable. So if you guys are the type of person that enjoys doing makeup and you can't afford the Anastasia, which is like $18, then this one I totally recommend. It is $2. It's free shipping, so you literally are only paying $2. But I believe you can also pay extra if you wanted to get there a little bit faster. But yes, guys, if you guys want to see how I got these brows, then make sure to keep on watching, all right? So how about we just get on to this video and I stop talking. Oh my gosh. The pigmentation on this, guys, is actually really good. I really like it. It glides on really smooth. I absolutely love it so far. It honestly is like really smooth. I don't know if you guys can see. Like wow. I don't really like the little pencil. Kind of wish it was a little bit bigger just because, you know, I mean, I don't have big hands or big fingers, but, you know, still. So it has a little smudgy on here, like a little smudge, and I'm gonna use that to blend out the front, see how that goes. Actually, it's pretty good. Look at that, guys. That is actually very, very good. I am really impressed with this. I mean, look at it. Wow. So we're gonna do the other eye. Wow guys, look at that. So I'm actually going to go back and shape them out a little bit. I mean, I feel like I don't need too much shaping, but I'm actually going to use this Maybelline